Welcome back to Nitro Reacts to another banger. Today we're going to be getting into a woman ending 3 lives after stealing police car. I haven't seen this one yet. Let's see how it turns out. I ain't going to hold y'all no longer. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
What began as a 911 call about a suspicious woman wandering around a parking lot, asking people for a ride, or trying to steal their keys, quickly took a dramatic turn when an officer responded and the suspect stole his police car.
I don't know the address. The lady just tried to steal my keys. I do not know the address. Yeah, and she walked up asking for if I could get her out of this place, and then she started reporting.
I'll go right in the back. No.
Oh, gone already. Already into the video. She gone.
Oh, she just got in with the sheriff.
She gone. She out of there.
Inside the sheriff's car. She is. Oh my God. He's out. She's in, and she took his car.
No one had any idea that her actions would lead to such severe consequences.
Bro, the cop though. Bro, the cop was dipping like he got out of there. Look at him. He's gone.
Would lead to such severe consequences.
Yeah, look at that cop car, y'all.
Were you the one who called us?
Yes. Do you want me to stay on the line? I'm with the sheriff right now.
You have your ID?
It's in the car. I'm still really shaking.
Did you know her?
No, she tried to take my keys.
We know her.
She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle. At first, she asked me for a ride, said she needed to get out of this place. She's extremely single 12.
Oh, she all on the side of the road? Oh my God. I'm thinking this the cops chasing her. Wait, it gotta be. Yeah, that's her in the front. Okay, that's her in the front. Ooh, they flying. They flying on the back roads.
She's still extremely signal 12. Are you okay? I'm a little shaken. I've never had that happen to me before, so I'm a little shaky. No, I got the drink. That is insane. I was watching her when we got out. She's hanging on people's arms. Yeah, I went to the Dollar Tree and I No. We wanted to take my vehicle.
Yeah, we was going to go in the Dollar Tree, and I was like, wait a minute, fellas, just stay here for just a minute. Let me watch what she's doing.
I need help. This is a big route. 651 Mary, I believe that's going to be her coming across the radio. She just passed the packet sack going eastbound. Her speeds are well over 100. I'm trying to keep up. I'm just keeping eyes on the lights.
They flying, chat. That's crazy.
We're still going east. Speeds are still 115. We're speeds 115. She just turned around. She's now going westbound. Yeah, 479 westbound. Excuse me, I need the real police.
We need the real police. Who said that? It must have been her that said that.
The woman was identified as 33-year-old Kendra, who had previously been charged with 13 felonies and had been released from prison just a few days earlier. Moreover,
how'd she get out on
her
13
release
felonies?
over the radio only fueled the responding officer's rage.
the spike strips. Watch they miss.
She's gonna be the first car. I'm the second car. The lights are on. I'm gonna lay off a little bit. So you're still about 90, 95.
Safety 316, should advise they're coming up behind an 18-wheeler.
And she's turning around.
She did a U-turn. I knew it. I knew they went. I knew it. Still missed though.
Speeds are up to 105.
Gotta be quicker than that.
If you do have a safe opportunity, go ahead and take that if you feel comfortable with it.
There's also time to 23 hours when
At one point, the female officer lost visual of the suspect, and then she noticed thick black smoke in the distance, which was a nightmare awaiting.
How long we got approval for? A couple minutes now. Give me the monitor.
Dang! Holy crap! Wow, that's crazy.
Back up, back up, back up, back up! Back up, back up!
Look at the. Oh, they blurred it out, but look at the front end of that freaking cruiser. There's no front end on that cruiser.
We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay? Hello? Hello? You guys okay? I'm not getting a response from them. I don't know where she's at. There's somebody in that driver's side.
She's right there. She's right here. She's right here. Get them, get them, get them.
Soon, a fire broke out from the damaged engine, possibly due to a fuel leak. Acting quickly, the officers used as many fire extinguishers as they could to put it out.
Hey, Morris, get my fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher.
Dang, not a cruiser on fire.
Fire extinguisher. Get it over here. Get it over here.
I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Go. Where's yours? Can you grab yours?
It's really hot right here. Really hot. Mine's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It should be on the right.
The crash killed Kendra and the male and female front seat occupants of the pickup truck, both of whom were over the age of 70. The third occupant seated in the back survived, but was in critical condition.
Do we have any vision, any contact talking? At least 3 occupants? Sheriff's office, everyone okay?
I'm not gonna lie, that's tragic. That's sad, chat. She must have been high on something. Had to been to do that. You did not have to get away from them 12 that bad.
I need one fire extinguisher over here. Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Let's make sure they're good.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this isn't starting fire because it's leaking oil.
Okay.
There's a flame coming through that firewall,
If
I wonder how bad like an impact is like that. Like, how does that feel? Like, I don't want to know how it feel, chat, but I just want to know, like, if you got hit like that hard, like what trauma do you feel? I don't know. Look at the cruiser, bro. They can't even open the door.
We got the roadblock. Next on the way.
According to reports, Kendra had 3 children and was not doing well mentally as per her family.
That
She
sounds
had
about
even
right.
left a note the night before the incident for the couple who had housed her. Although her family maintained that she was a kind and loving person, her attempt to steal cars in the parking lot didn't help uphold that image.
She's stressed out. She over there crying. Or she ain't crying, but she's mad.
Because now she's just caused 3 people to fucking die. Because she wanted to think about the tomahawk. Oh!
You can't control anyone else's actions.
Sure can't.
I seen, and she was going around the semi, and I knew, but I thought it was just gonna be her. I'm like, all right, that's fine. It's just her. No, don't ever still record about her, you know. And then when I seen the truck, I'm like, you're fucking shitting me, bro.
Wait, it's just her. Dang, she has no remorse for her. Rest in peace to the family in
The
that
injured
truck, though,
passenger
for
was
sure.
identified as 74-year-old Russell, the driver's brother. He had suffered numerous bone fractures, spinal trauma, as well as injuries to his head. He later went into a coma and had to be put on breathing support, with the possibility of an ankle amputation.
I already used up my extinguisher.
Dang, now we know how bad that can get. If someone hits you head-on collision.
You're good, you're good. Sit down, sit down. I told him I had 3 occupants.
Good person or not, Kendra's act of stealing a police vehicle, driving at 100 miles an hour and ultimately causing the deaths of not just herself, but also 2 innocent people, was one of the most reckless acts imaginable.
Hey, I can't believe that that lady did that. But, guys, without further ado, we're going to end this video right here. We're going to see y'all on the other side. Y'all